Hello traders, you're welcome back to Forex Hub once again. Welcome back to Forex Hub. Okay guys, sorry I've been away for a while. I haven't posted videos yet. It's because I've been busy with some academic stuffs like that. Well, anyway, I'm back now, so let's get into it. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to scalp the boom and crash market, and this is specifically for boom 1000 and crash 1000. Okay, this indicator works perfectly for the boom 1k and the crash 1k. All right, so how does this strategy works? All right, this strategy works in the sense that we are having just two indicators on this. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to be giving you the settings for it. This black moving average and this golden bear power indicator. All right, so this indicator works in such a way that whenever you see the moving average touches the level 90 on boom, and also the bear power, which is this golden line, touches the level 92, this is a signal for a scalp. Okay, and in this scalp you take just 5 candles, guys. You take just 5 candles. You take just 5 candles in this, and then you are out. For example, with this signal was given to us, this particular signal, as you can see, the MA and the bear power both touches the level 90, which is this. As you can see, we took 5 candles out of this market and we are out. You enter at this point, you would have taken your 5 candle and you are out. Okay guys, this strategy is so perfect and so easy to use, guys, that you won't regret using it. Okay, I've been using this strategy for a while now. As you know, I always test things out before I bring it back to you. Okay, before you guys start using it. Okay, and for you to use this strategy, you have to first of all move your chart to the far right. Okay, you move your chart to the far right like this, in order for you to filter out false signals. Okay, in order for you to filter out false signals. All right, that said, the first thing you want to do is to go to a higher time frame to check the trend of the market. Remember, whenever you are trending forex market, either synthetic or the currency pair or indices, just always know that the trend is your friend. All right, so you first of all go to the higher time frame to check the trend of the market. And as you can see for this particular market, this is the 1 hour time frame. There is some sort of resistance right here, support right here, or this boom. And for the past let's say 12 hours, these candles have been rejecting right here. Okay, and they've also been rejecting right here. That means they have some it's sort of consolidating. Okay, it's not breaking above, neither is it breaking beneath. So if you go to a 1 hour time frame, you can see this clearly right here. Okay, you know that this market is consolidating on this particular phase. So the best thing for you to do in this place is for you to trade when the boom is selling. You scalp when the boom is selling, not when the boom is buying. That is when the boom is on a downtrend and not when it's on an uptrend. Okay, as you can see right here, this market has been going down for hours now. Okay, so after you find out about this, you come straight to the 1 minute, and then you zoom in. Your zoom level is the second zoom level. You zoom in twice, 1 2, and then you are done. Okay, and that's will filter out the bad signal when you draw this to the far right. Okay, so let's go back in time to test and see. Okay, this is a confirmed signal right here. As you can see, they both touch at the level 90. Okay, and this is it right here. You take 5 candles. you would have taken 5 candle and you have gotten out of this trade, even for the fact that it was on an uptrend that particular moment. But once you know that the overall market is a downtrend, don't be afraid to enter this market. Okay, let's look for another again. As you can see at the far right, this is another wonderful signal right here. Okay, so wonderful signal. Both the MA and the bear power touches the level 90, and you enter for a sell right here. You would have gotten 5 candles down here. You would have taken your profit, and then you would have gotten out of this market without any harm of any kind. So you guys see, backtesting this works greatly, guys. Backtesting this works greatly. As you can see, still the same thing right here. Okay, would have gotten 5 candles and get out. Don't be greedy, guys. Don't be greedy. One of the most insane parts of forex, why beginners don't stay consistent, is because they are always greedy in the forex market. Yeah, they always want to have everything at the same time. They just want to eat a lot of pips. Since it seems to be simple, okay, let me just hold this trade instead of them to close. Take what you can from the market and then you leave. All right, so this is how this strategy works, guys. It's insane. This strategy is insane. All right, now this is an example of a bad signal, you knowing that it is on an uptrend. For example, a signal was given here. Okay, we had a signal right here. If you would have gotten in on the second candle, on the first candle right here, you would have lost this trade. Why? Because of, if you could check on the 1 hour, probably, let me just drop let me show you something right here. This particular candle, right? So if you go down to the 1 hour, yeah, as you can see, that is a bullish candle, right? As you can see, guys, that's a bullish candle. So this is to tell you that this market was buying at this particular moment, not selling. So at this particular candle, you are supposed to be buying and not selling. So you don't scalp. Only scalp when you see a red candle like this. Trust me, only when you see a red candle, that is when you are free to go on a sell, and that is when scalping is far better. So let's go to crash 1000 also to see. And as you can see, for, remember, the zoom level is 212, and then you are go. Now look at this. Crash 1000 gave us this signal, we missed that. Okay, the black and the gold touches the level 10, which is telling us to buy, which is this particular place. Would have taken our 5 candles and would have left this market without being hurt. Guys, just try this out. It works, trust me. Just do this. Don't open multiple positions, just use little positions, and then you'll be good to go. Also, same thing right here. You had this signal, you would have taken more than 5 candles, but just don't take above 5 candles, guys. Okay, same thing right here. We had a signal right here also, the black MA and the gold bear power. You would have taken 5 candles from this market and you would have left. Guys, this strategy is insane. As you can see, once you push this to the far right, you can see that this indicator lags. Okay, so you should be careful when using this indicator, right? I'm no financial advisor, I just do this for educational purpose. So both of them did not meet at the level 10, so you should not take this trade, guys. You should not take this trade, simply because of it shows you right here. That's why I told you that your indicator should be at the far right. Okay, at the far right, that will give you a clearer indicator, a clearer entry, guys, so you won't have to be in trouble or in a mess whenever you are trading this particular pair. Okay, and as you can see, another indicator, this indicator gave us another entry right here. Okay, another entry right here. Would have taken 5 candle and would have left. Another one right here. Just look at this, guys. 5 left. Another one right here. would have taken 5 and left. You just have to be patient, guy, for you to get this for you to get the particular timing. Okay, because of it always seems to be very 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 difficult to get a signal. But once you have a signal, don't be afraid to use it. Okay, like something like this, I won't be taking this trade simply because of it's only the MA that touches the level 10 and not the gold. So automatically my confidences are not yet met, so I won't be taking that trade. But something like this one now, as you can see, this is a gold. Okay, the black and the gold touches. I would have taken 5 out of this. Just imagine you scalping like 10 positions in a day. Okay, just imagine you scalping like 10 positions in a day, just using 0.5 lot size, taking 5 candles. If though a spike comes, you know that, and you know that you are on the downtrend, you won't be afraid. So your risk or management will be very very minimal. Okay, you won't lose a lot. Plus once the spike comes, it will still go back to your entry level, which you know that you won't be on the losing side. That's the most insane thing about this indicator, guys. So always try this out on your demo. Okay, so right now, without further ado, let me show you guys what type of indicator these are. All right, go to the F button for those who are new. Okay, go to the F button. The first indicator you're going to be using is the indicator window one, is the RSI. All right, you want to be using the RSI, the relative strength index. Okay, so the period is going to be 3. You apply it to close. I make it 2 pixel. So you put the color black, which is the black you are seeing right there, the black MA inside the RSI. Okay, so the next one is you go to the levels. For the levels, you add just 3 level. Okay, the level 10, 90 and 50. So the level 10 I just target as scalp, the 90 to scalp, and the 50 should be your TP, 1 pixel and then white. After you done with that, you just go back and then you click on done, and then you have your MA. The next indicator is still on the indicator window one, is your best power. Okay, look for your best power, and then your parameters should be, period should be 9, your style should be 2 pixel. You make the color gold or any color of your choice. After you've done that, you click on done. There is no levels for this guy, and then you are going to be having this. So guys, I want you guys to back test this. Okay, I want you guys to back test this, to also try it out on your demo. Try to place a trade, get yourself an Excel sheet, all right, to write down all the trade that you're going to be taking using lot sizes, and then scalping 5 candle. Just try it for a week, guys, and then you tell me the risk to reward ratio, and tell me how many losses you've gotten from that particular trade. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Okay, I want to be bringing awesome videos like this in order to show you guys how to be profitable in the forex market. We are all here to learn, and we're all here to help each other out. Okay, I won't be seeing something working for me and then I will not show it to you guys. So in order for you to support my community here in Forex Hub, just give this video a thumbs up. Okay, give it a like, go to the comment section, comment below, comment something positive. If you're having any question, please ask in the comment section, and subscribe to this channel. Okay, so that you turn off the post notification button, and with that you will be notified anytime I drop a new videos. Okay, and the next videos I'm going to be showing, I'm going to be dropping, will be how you can scalp for either boom 500 and that of 300. Okay, but for this particular one, it works specifically for boom 1000 and crash 1000. It also works for 500, but I don't recommend it. Okay, I don't recommend it based on 1 or 2 things. All right, based on 1 or 2 things, I don't recommend it. So see you guys in the next video, and I hope you have a lovely day.